Welcome students. Today we are continuing the chapter Gift of the Nature. In the previous class, we have discussed about the major causes of resource depletion. They are overpopulation, deforestation, pollution, natural calamities, industrial and technological development, etc. Students, you have learned that due to deforestation, many animals and plant species have lost their natural habitat. Depletion of natural resources increases the endangered species problem also. Students, can you identify this bird? This is dodo. Dodo is a bird that became extinct because of the reckless exploitation of natural resources by man. Dodo birds were the inhabitants of the Mauritius Islands in the Indian Ocean and were killed extensively for meat. Other animals that are now extinct include Arrow cattle found in India, Asian cheetah, etc. We have the right to use the essential resources, but we don't have the right to use them without considering the need of the future generation. Wise use of the resources should be our motto. Judicious and careful use of resources, as well as giving enough time for them to replenish, can conserve the natural resources. Resource conservation and acts in India. These laws have been emerged from the necessity to control the reckless exploitation of the nature that poses threat to the very existence of man. Section 48A and Section 51AG of the Indian Constitution stating the conservation of nature as the duty of the Indian citizen. Nature Conservation Act, Water Act, Forest Conservation Act, Air Act, etc. are some of the acts in India related to resource conservation. Resource conservation in Kerala. The People's Movement for the Conservation of the Periyar River in 1999 led to the establishment of the Water Authority. Various acts related to resource conservation have emerged in Kerala following the people's movements and through government interventions. Act for Protection of Paddy Fields, Act for Protection of Wetlands, etc. are examples. World Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd every year. This day aims to raise awareness among the masses about the climate change and global warming. Earth Day is recognized as the largest civic event in the world. This day inspires to act towards the protection of the environment and focus on the need for the conservation of the same.